welcome back to my channel, and today I am so excited to share with you guys a newfound love that I came across on Instagram, and it's from the UK. Her name is Cath Kidston, and I was looking at some stuff on Instagram and I came across it. I'm like, what is that line? What is that name? What is that whatever it is? I need to get my hands on it. I've got to have it. I've got to check out this site. So I finally found it, and like I said, it's Cath Kidston. Oh my god. Some of her stuff is absolutely, not some of it, all of her stuff is absolutely gorgeous, and I am hooked. I'm addicted. It's just as bad as Ray Dunn stuff. This stuff is amazing. More the Disney line. I love her Disney line. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on some of the stuff. I got 3 items from Cath Kidston. Everything was on sale, so I was like, ooh, had to have it, gotta get it, I need that in my life. So I opened one already, and I semi-halfway opened up the other one, but I did not open up the full one. So let's just go ahead. Yeah. The one that I opened up the other day is this purse. Oh my god. This thing is so freaking cute, and you guys know how much I love my Disney stuff. Amazing. Leather bag. Look at this strap on it. So freaking cute. It's not as like long as I would like it to be. It kind of like goes, let's see if I can show you guys. Let's back up. Yes, I don't have pants on, I have regular shorts on. But anyway, it just kind of goes right here, but you know what? It's okay. It's not that I'm going to carry it around like all day long at a park or anything like that. I'm mainly just going to be using it for like when we go out to dinners or whatever at the parks. Something very easy and simple. Something very small and dainty and classy for when we do go to dinner, instead of carrying, you know, another bag that I may have or whatever. But anyway, look at the detail inside this bag. It is all Mickey Mouse and polka dots and red. It's got 2 separate compartments, so this divides it. It's got a compartment back here in the back, and it's got a compartment in the front. And in the front pouch, it's got you know, little side pockets inside of here as well. And the back part has like a zipper part to it. Look at that. So freaking cute. Absolutely love it. I will leave everything in the description box below so you guys can go check out her site. Maybe get one of these for yourself. Like I said, everything was on sale. Don't know how long the sale is going to last. Don't know how long the items are going to last. But anyway, had to get this one. So freaking cute. Absolutely love it. Love the little Mickey. And down here it says Disney. It says Disney Cath Kidston. So anyway, so that's the purse. That's one. Alright, the other purse that I ordered, like I said, I already kind of semi-took this one out of the box, but I did not unwrap it, so we're going to go ahead and unwrap it now. And this one is so cute too. It's very small, very dainty. I definitely will not, like, I can't put a lot of stuff in here, so like my camera, my wallet, or whatever won't fit in here, but it's definitely very small. I'm trying to see, oh, I got it. Very small, but let's see how long the strap is. That's always like the test, because I like, you know, I like me a good crossbody bag. And I don't know, let's see if I can, how is this going to come apart? Okay, so you gotta slide it off of there, and you can adjust it. So because I like it on like the longest one, I'll always put it like on the first one to make it like the longest length. And I can't get that plastic off right now, but let's take a look and see how far this one goes down. Alright, this one only goes to like right here as well. So it's just kind of very small, not long enough for me, honestly, but again, very cute. I mean, you can always carry it like this, you know, cute, something very cute and small. Oh my gosh. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look inside. Look at the detail first. Look at all of the detail on here. Mickey Mouse, Minnie, it's so cute. Donald Duck, Goofy's on here. All like little hearts. So cute. Absolutely love this. And then look at the ears. And then it's like a... Okay, so we'll take out the paper. Alright, and this is what it looks like on the inside. and then it's got like 2 little pockets on the inside. So basically it's just something very, very small. It's got places like right there for little credit cards or whatever, your driver's license. But it is very, very small. But again, very, very cute. Something that I could use just to go to dinner. Just, you know, throw in my camera maybe without my little tripod on it, my wallet, driver's license, credit card, that type of thing. But isn't this adorable? I love it. So cute. And it's very sturdy too. It's very strong, but I like it. I'm very excited about it. So, woohoo, there's my second one. Alrighty, and now, the one that I have not opened yet, and is still in the box, actually still in the paper, and even the paper's pretty. Look at the paper. Oh, so pretty. Love, love, love. Okay, we're going to open this one up. And I know what this one is, but I just haven't opened it yet. This one is the little, let's see, it's called Disney Fold Away Overnight Bag. And it's the same print as the round purse. So freaking cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. So cute. And it comes inside this bag. So let's open this up and see how to get this out without ruining anything. Okay, so much. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, I love. And then this with this this tote fit inside this bag. So basically, they say you can fold it away and put it away. I highly doubt I'll ever get it to be folded up like that again, but nonetheless. Cute bag, got little snaps on the back for you to snap it onto something, probably something inside the bag, that's what I'm guessing. But anyway, this is the overnight bag. Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh, love it. Got 2 straps up here, a strap that just fell, so it's got like a nice shoulder strap. Very, very large bag. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. How adorably cute is this bag? Very, very deep. Very, very deep. And then let me see if it, oh yes. So this, you know, obviously you can use separately, but this snaps inside of here. And you can just snap it in there for other uses. So there it's snapped in. You guys can see where it's snapped in right there. And then you can just use it for, you know, whatever else. And it's lined in plastic on the inside. So obviously if you spill something that's wipeable, you can really wipe it out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with this bag. Can you tell? It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. See, I told you guys her line is so cute, her Disney line, and everything else is just so cute too. Oh my gosh, yeah, very, very cute. And then the strap that it comes with is an adjustable strap as well. I always like it, again, to be on the longest part so I can carry it, and then it just connects to the sides right here, just like so. And now it is complete, and I can use it on my next trip. How cute is that bag? Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, I'm going to leave all of the links below to Cath Kidston and these products. If you guys are interested in them, go ahead and you can click the links below and you can go find out for yourself if you want them and how much they are. And hopefully they have more if you guys are interested in them. Yeah, so that is it. Gosh, those are the cutest little bags. Absolutely, I told you it's addicting. Cath Kidston is going to be, it's going to be an addiction for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time on Angie Wonderland. Bye!